Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Romeiser, and I'm a general internal medicine physician. With healthcare, I felt like I could combine my interests both for helping others and also my love for science and especially biology. During medical school, we would rotate in different specialties, and I found that in internal medicine I was able to really get to know patients and develop some significant depth to the relationships with the patients that I wasn't able to in other specialties. I also enjoyed the diagnostic and therapeutic challenges with internal medicine. I love the diagnostic challenges and just trying to figure stuff out. And you know, trying not to have a cookie cutter approach either. So just trying to see what works for each patient, and to do that you have to get to know your patients well. You have to know, what their challenges are, not just in terms of their medical conditions, but what are their issues outside of the clinic, outside of work. How are things at home? And so just getting to know them from the standpoint of, what their families are like, what's, what do they do, what do they enjoy doing, what kind of exercise do they do, what do they eat, what's their faith life like. All these things can affect an individual. I think my interest in just getting to know the patient and who they are outside of their visit with me in the clinic. And so, as I mentioned before, getting to know them from the standpoint of their families, their work life, what do they enjoy doing, what are their hobbies, what's their faith life like. I think that all these things, are so important, and just focusing on, what's here and now. You often tend to miss stuff, and I would be remiss and not be able to fully care for the whole person if I was not able to kind of go into some more depth in these areas with patients. Well, I have 5 children and a beautiful wife, and so I just like spending time with them. That's the main emphasis right now. Our children are young. Our oldest is 9 years old, and so we're busy outside of the clinic. So just enjoy going on walks, going to the pool, doing various activities, just throwing a ball around in the backyard, that kind of thing with our kids, and getting away for a longer hike on a weekend is a special thing as well. Fishing, my kids thankfully enjoy fishing, and so do I. So that's a fun thing to do. Played football for a long time, so I love watching football also. And so that's something that we do as a family.